Hi there. Just wanted to show you a little bit about how you get around in this course for this virtual online workshop. So each day when you come into the course section, here's where the lessons are. We've got day one going here, and what we're working on is preparing to sculpt our doll, getting the armature ready, getting our reference photos ready, all the kind of preparation type stuff that you need to do first to get ready to have a nice sculpting experience. And so what you're going to do, across the top you'll see the title. You have a quick shortcut to all the different lessons. I believe that gets you right back to the same page we're on now. There's also this discussion area. I'll click on that quickly. And so here's where you can have any questions be put in place, and I can respond to you right here. So it'll be right here in the discussion place. There's also this people section where you can be able to see the different students that are involved, and then you can be able to interact with them a bit if you would like. But the discussion area is the main place for the interaction. And then now with these different lessons, as you get into it, there'll be a main title for the section. And then, for instance, this first one is getting ready to sculpt our doll. So here we have a bunch of reference photos, and I put in a ton that you can just download and have on your computer. Then you can just go across the top with these different dots. If you hover, it will give you the title to the next video. In this case, this is a video. You'll just see the video sign. Usually down at the bottom of the video will be an opportunity to download it as well, which is the case. It's just I can't scroll down right now. But then you just hit the play button.
So what I like to do to be able to find...
If you want to make it full screen, you just click right here, and it will turn it into full screen for you.
And pictures is I just basically go to...
So that's about the easiest way to handle that. Now, you can pull it off full screen so that way you can see everything in its best size. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. Each day as you come in, we'll go back to the lesson section, you will find all your lessons here. And then you can just go along and see if you've got to that place yet. Right now, I am just working on the armature video and head video right now as well. We've had somebody mowing the lawn in the background. I decided to go ahead and make this video despite it, but I'm going to wait a few more minutes and see if we can get him to be done with his yard work first. And then we'll get those armature and head videos up for you today so we can stay on schedule. Thanks so much for joining us.